What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Boys Family Dinner. We like to eat well on a budget.
Today we are going to be making stuffed sweet potatoes topped with sour cream and avocados.
Okay, we're gonna get started with sweet potatoes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drizzle them with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. And then we've preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and we're gonna cook it for about 45 minutes. Okay, so we'll go ahead and pop it in the oven.
Okay, so while our sweet potatoes are cooking, we are going to get started on our corn and black beans. So we are just going to boil our corn. Then we are going to put our black beans in a separate saucepan and heat them up. They are leftovers from another meal. But we are going to season these with a little bit of cumin. You wanna help? Okay, come here. Okay. And garlic powder.
Once the corn is done boiling, we're gonna go ahead and take it out and we're gonna cut it off the cob. So kind of a little trick that we do is we just get a bowl here, and then we have these little, ramekins, what they're called. And so a little trick that you can do is flip it upside down, put it inside the bowl, and then you're gonna use that as your stand, so then you can cut all the kernels off like this. So it's gonna be hot. Woo-wee, that's hot. Okay, we cut all the kernels off our corn, so we're just gonna go ahead and add that to the black beans. And mix that together.
The sweet potatoes are done. So we're gonna take them out and cut them open so we can start building. So we're just gonna open up our sweet potatoes. They're super hot. And then we are just going to stuff them with our black bean and corn mixture. Alright, you can put as much or as little as you want in there. You wanna help? Okay, and then we are just going to top these with a little bit of sour cream. Get both of those. And then a few slices of avocado. There you go, stuffed sweet potatoes.
Does that look good, buddy? Does that look yummy?
Want some avocado? Mmm.
Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Good job.